All righty, if you are an entrepreneur or an aspiring entrepreneur, you want to listen to this right now and take some notes. Now, there is a new program being launched to educate minorities on venture capital. We have Earl Childress, Chairman and CEO, joining us live. And Earl, tell me why education on this is so important for our minority communities.
Hey, well, good morning. Thanks for having me back. One of the big things about venture capital is alternative financing, and a lot of times minorities miss out because we're not exposed to it. And so the funding criteria and process is a little bit different than your traditional financing. And one of the main components to determine how you get funding is actually the investors or the venture capital build relationships with the founders of companies. And through that, getting to know you, we begin to trust you, which then increases your chances of receiving funding. So it's not like going to a bank and they're going to pull background checks. It's pretty much like, hey, we want to know you, we want to know your management team, and we want to know, can you execute this deal?
Okay, and this is definitely timely right now because during the pandemic, a lot of people decided that they wanted to start a business or become an entrepreneur, so they could definitely take advantage of this opportunity to learn more about getting this capital, right?
Yeah, correct. If you go to our website, there's a blog. It shows that in 2020, during the pandemic, more people became millionaires than any other time in history.
Wow, that is amazing. That is amazing. So tell me a little bit about what you guys kind of discussed during these online sessions that you'll be able to offer.
So we offer free courses to founders, and what we do, we tell them the difference and teach them the difference between a small business and a startup. Small businesses grow, startups scale. And so it all goes back to how you're going to exit the business. And so we teach you how to build your business to have a successful foundation. Because if you look at the statistics, 90% of businesses fail within 10 years. And so what we do, we help to lower that failure rate, and by starting off the correct way. And then most important thing is to learn how to build cash flow. That's why most businesses go under, because they don't have the correct cash flow coming in. And so we teach you how to grow your business or to scale up your startup to have adequate cash flow to stay afloat.
So for people who are interested in entrepreneurship or have already started a business and have taken advantage of your courses, are they able to really just grasp this and allow it to help them to continue to grow?
Yes, yeah, we have several programs. So one of the programs that we have is just for entrepreneurs, but we also have a program that I was passionate about. It's called Inmates to Entrepreneurs. So
wow.
We work with inmates coming out because a lot of times they have problems getting jobs because of their background. So we show them, hey, let's bypass that, start your own business, and you can do it with really minimal funding to get started. And so we help them to grow their small business. For those who get in, who look to scale, we show them how to scale their startup as well.
Wow, that is wonderful. So Earl, before we wrap up, tell us where we can go to sign up to be a part of these courses.
You go to our website, earlchildress.com, go down to the membership. And right now, we also have a program that's free for investors because we want to get minority investors involved in the program too. And this is one way we can build our community, by having successful entrepreneurs invest in startups in our communities.
Wonderful. Thank you, Earl, so much for joining us.
Thanks for having me again.
My pleasure. If you guys would like to hear this interview again, just visit our website, fox2now.com.